Don't let the name fool you, because it's far from boring, but today we're going to show you how to center a boring bar. In turning applications, it's important for the tool to be centered in relation to the machine to ensure proper cutting. And to do that, we'll be using a digital angle finder. First, place the angle finder flush against the angle finder seat. Then attach the seat to the X-axis of the lathe. The seat is magnetized, so everything will hold in place. Turn the angle finder on and then press 0 to zero out the angle finder. Now that the angle finder is calibrated to the lathe, let's attach it to the boring bar. Looking at the bolt-on head of the bar, you'll see a flat that the angle finder seat will magnetize to. With the angle finder attached to the boring bar, rotate the bar until the angle finder reads 0 degrees. Then tighten the bar in place, and now the boring bar is on center and ready to go.